I love a good fragrance. For me, a fragrance should evoke some feelings in you, give you the personality that it carries. Matlab, you take one whiff of it and it should make you feel a certain way. And for the people around you, it should create a lasting memory of you. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about my favorite summer fragrances right now. Yes, like literally right now. But before I start, please hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Here I mostly talk about fashion, styling, product reviews and shopping. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए so do give this video a thumbs up. I'm also present on Instagram where I talk about stuff related to fashion. So if you're interested in more updates about my life, तो वहाँ भी मुझे follow करना ना भूलिएगा. My handle is Sarah Hassan Official. So without wasting further time, I think it's time to get into the video. मैंने एक टाइम पे सोचा था that I should start collecting perfumes and build my own fragrance collection, but sadly ऐसा हो नहीं पाया. But having said that, I have tried many perfumes out there and bought the ones I absolutely loved over and over again. Now I understand कि हर किसी की अपनी preference होती है when they're choosing a fragrance for themselves. But if you are into scents that are not too sickly sweet, then I think ये video आपके काफ़ी काम की होगी. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा disclaimer before I start talking about these fragrances. I am not an expert in any way and I will try my best to explain these scents to you. So first up on the list is YSL Cinema. Look at the bottle, man, so glam, I love it. So according to Google, it's a floral scent, amber floral to be specific. And इसके top notes में almond blossom है, clementine है और एक और ingredient है जो I'm guessing it's a flower and I clearly cannot pronounce it. मिडिल नोट्स में इसके जैस्मिन है, प्यूनी है एंड बेस नोट्स में वनीला है, एम्बर है और वाइट मस्क है. To be honest, half the ingredients mentioned in the description तो I cannot even pronounce, understand or have I smelt in my life. But जो पता है उसका तो I'll try explaining to you. When I smell this, I can smell vanilla right off the bat. इसकी opening slightly strong है but like after a few seconds you can smell the soft florals in it, and as it sets down so you can smell the powdery vanilla and white musk combo, which adds so much warmth and depth to it. It's sweet but like floral sweet. Amber की वजह से I guess इसके अंदर थोड़ी सी sweetness है, but not like teenage candy sweet types. And वैसे भी I try to stay away from sickly sweet fragrances because that induces migraine and nobody likes that, trust me. I like to use this on a daily basis because I feel it's quite office appropriate, like it won't bother people around you, and you can also wear it on a date night or like a night out with friends as well. अच्छा, the sillage or trail of this scent is quite decent. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोई दूर से आ रहा हो और आपको खुशबू आ जाए. ऐसा है कि you can recognize this scent on someone who's at a decent distance. When I wear this, I can smell this on myself most of the day. So lasting power wise, I can say it's really good. मतलब मेरी स्किन के साथ तो इसकी केमिस्ट्री काफ़ी अच्छी है. I'm on my second bottle of this and both the times I got it from Dolmen Mall, Clifton, Karachi. इसमें दो sizes आते हैं and I think I have the 90 ml one. Yes, this is I guess सबसे बड़ा वाला size. And this by the way is an EDP. So basically perfumes में types आती हैं. So there's like an EDP which is eau de parfum, and there's like this other type that's called EDT, which is called eau de toilette. So basically इन दोनों में difference ये होता है कि EDP has more oil content in it, which makes it expensive, and EDT has more water content in it and less oil obviously, which makes it relatively cheaper. This costed me 12,000 if I'm not wrong. I got mine from this store which is opposite Sensation at Dolmen Mall, Clifton. Overall, it's a great soothing floral and vanilla scent, very feminine and very elegant. I think I will buy it the third time as well. I will try to link the fragrances mentioned in this video down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Let's move on to my next summer favorite, which is Chance by Chanel. First of all, you have to have a certain taste for Chanel House because most of these fragrances are like siblings or cousins. इसके top notes feel a bit citrusy and floral, but जब ये थोड़ा set हो जाता है तो it gets more floral. The base notes of this fragrance are warm and deep, and overall I think it's a very well blended perfume. It sort of reminds me of Coco Mademoiselle, and that's because of the patchouli ingredient in it. If compared with Coco Mademoiselle, this one is lighter and more fresh. When I smell this, it reminds me of this beautiful high class woman who knows what she wants in life and is pretty much successful and well settled. I think it's a beautiful scent for summertime. Projection wise, it has a moderate sillage or trail, and on my skin it lasts throughout the day. People are definitely gonna notice this on you because this is a big compliment getter. My husband too really loves it on me. It can be a great signature scent and it's super appropriate for everyday use, but the problem is कि ये थोड़ा सा expensive है. I mean, let's be honest, most of us cannot afford to wear this every day because Chanel perfumes are slightly more expensive than most designer perfumes out there. But if you can get it from abroad through someone, तो ये आपको काफी reasonable पड़ेगा. I got this small bottle from Sephora in Istanbul, and trust me, it did not cost me an arm and leg. I guess 12,000 का पड़ा होगा at max. But वैसे in Pakistan, superstores and perfume stores keep a bigger bottle of this, which I believe costs around 30,000 or something. Now that's pretty expensive. Overall, I'm in love with this scent and I'm sure I'm gonna get a second bottle of this. Let's move on to my last favorite summer scent, which is Touch of Pink by Lacoste. Yes, it's this one. Bottle इसकी okay सी है, it's nothing fancy. Let's see what Google has to say about it. So it says Touch of Pink is a fragrance aimed at younger audience. The fragrance is energetic, feminine and joyous. The top notes reveal blood orange, coriander leaf, cardamom and peach, followed by jasmine, unexpected carrot and spicy coriander note in the heart. The woodsy musk base is softened with vanilla. Okay, so yeah, first of all, I do agree this scent is targeted towards a younger audience because when I smell this, it reminds me of this girly girl who's in her early 20s, who's wearing this cute floral midi dress and taking a stroll by the beach under the summer sun. अब तक तो आप ये जान चुके होंगे कि I love floral scents with vanilla base, and this one has got vanilla in it as well. I think it's a perfect spring summer scent and I love wearing it almost every other day. I'm by the way on my 5th bottle of it because I love the fact that it's super light and fresh. अगर lasting power की बात की जाए तो this lasts for like 4 to 5 hours on me, which is not that impressive, so like minus points on that. Also the sillage is way better in summer because winter में तो I really cannot smell this on me. I have received so many compliments on this scent from both men and women, so it sort of became my signature scent in my 20s. By the way, this is an EDT, so obviously longevity wise it doesn't perform that well compared to the other EDPs that I've mentioned in the video. And price wise, this costs around 7,000 bucks and is easily available in superstores across Pakistan. All in all, I love these 3 scents and I think they're great for summertime. Let me know if you've used any of these in the comment section below, and if not, तो please आप मुझे बताएं कि आपके summer favorite scents क्या हैं. Alright, so it's a wrap from my end. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your thoughts about it. Till next time, goodbye.